The underwriter's knot is a widely known and utilized knot, not exclusive to any one individual. Many people across various professions and hobbies are familiar with this knot. These include, but are not limited to, sailors, fishermen, climbers, arborists, and anyone who regularly works with ropes. The underwriter's knot finds its applications in a multitude of scenarios. Firstly, it is commonly used for tying boats to docks or cleats, providing a secure and reliable connection. Secondly, it is useful for securing ropes to trees or poles, whether for anchoring, creating support, or any other application where a rope needs to be firmly attached to a stationary object. Thirdly, the underwriter's knot is employed in creating loops in ropes. These loops can serve various purposes, such as creating handholds, attaching equipment, or forming part of a more complex knot system. Fourthly, the underwriter's knot can be used for joining two ropes together, creating a longer rope, or connecting two ropes for a specific task. The strength and security of the knot make it suitable for applications where a reliable connection is crucial. Anyone with basic knot tying knowledge is likely familiar with the underwriter's knot. It is considered a fundamental knot and is often among the first knots learned by those who work with ropes. Its versatility and ease of tying contribute to its widespread recognition. If you work with ropes in any capacity, knowing how to tie an underwriter's knot is beneficial. It is a strong and dependable knot that can be applied in diverse situations. Whether you are securing a boat, building a shelter, or simply need to tie two ropes together, the underwriter's knot is a valuable skill to have.